In the last 24 hours, a total of 156 samples from suspected cases of coronavirus have been tested in various laboratories in Kenya. Fellow Kenyans, all the 156 samples have tested negative for the coronavirus disease. Therefore, the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Kenya remains 31. That there are 2 more patients among the 31 who tested positive for the coronavirus currently admitted in the intensive care unit at Aga Khan Hospital. We have also been informed that a South African national on quarantine in Nakuru has also passed away in circumstances that do not seem related to the disease. This is a police investigation, and further information will be communicated to you. Currently, our teams are monitoring some 931 close contacts. We have 5 individuals admitted at Bagathi Hospital waiting test results. To date, we have tested 752 persons for the coronavirus disease. One of the cases in Malindi has now attracted 122 contacts. The case in Siaya have attracted 138 contacts. I truly want to plead with Kenyans to understand that social distancing, which is actually flaunted largely, is the surest way of cutting the rate of community transmission in the country.